guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an ABUS 8263. It's a brass shutter padlock, also known as bayonet padlocks. I think on the packaging also it will be stated monoblock. Must be just something that ABUS call this. Does have a working key. I think it's a 5-pin. Not sure if you're going to see the bit in properly on that. Key working. It's not key retaining. Locks back up. Key drawn out a tad. Sure that it's still locked up. Pick I'm going to use is this custom short hook. I've had this for some time and it's quite a favourite. Tension wrench is this one, sent to me by kind Adrian Webber to have a play with. Love it to bits. Let's have a go at getting it open. It is light tension and it drops into little falsets. Start back to front. So picking tension on, start picking. Drops over nicely there. Counter rotation up to the back and it's open. So it's a lovely pick. So that's an ABUS 8263 bayonet padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.